Hello and welcome to Friendly Stories. My name is Lisa Jane and today I'd like to read to you Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Achoo! I've chosen this book today to raise awareness for CdLs. My little cousin Grayson, he has this and he is the most lively little chap you've ever met. If you'd like to find out more about CdLs, I've put a link down in the description. So, shall we take a look? Are you ready? Here we go. Shh! Story time. Shh! It's story time.
CdLs. Este síndrome es una dolencia genética, de causa hasta hace poco desconocida, que afecta a muchos órganos y no siempre se manifiesta de forma severa. Síndrome de Lange, CdLs, afecta por igual a hombres y mujeres.
Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I wanna, Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Ugh. Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry? But if pigs make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Goodbye. Gerald. Meow. Are you okay, Gerald? No. I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Meow. I do not think that pigs make you sneeze. I do not think that cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick, yeah. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. Thank you so much for watching Friendly Stories and Pigs Make Me Sneeze. See you later. Bye. What if you tried to sneeze more often?